Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we take sewing machines, open them up, and then do a short video on every page of the manual. So if you're like me, I just want to learn what I need to learn today and be on my way. So these short videos are going to help you. Today we're going to work with the Singer Simple 3223. Now these do actually come in a variety of different colors, so if teal isn't your color, you'll have to check and find one that you like. These are actually very inexpensive, but here's the trick. If you know how to properly thread a sewing machine, put the bobbin in correctly, know a few things about needles and thread, I guarantee you're going to have a better sewing experience. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a brand new machine, so we're going to open it up fresh so you know what comes with the machine. And there's actually quite a few accessories that come with it. Stitch-wise, we actually have 6 essential stitches, 7 stretch stitches, 9 decorative stitches, and a 1-step buttonhole. So those are things that, you know, kind of important for a sewing machine. So the color makes me smile every time I think about this machine. Okay, so here's a little trick for unpacking it. I'm actually going to tip the whole box over because the styrofoam is supporting the whole machine. So let's just let gravity kind of help out with this whole thing. So here she comes. All right, and so you do have a manual, a little quick start section, a little warranty to go with this machine. So I'm going to just flip it back over. We do even have a soft dust cover that comes with the machine. You'll find that inside right here, once we get the plastic off, the foot control. So just set those aside. Great. And here we go. All right, so right here, as you find your foot control and power cord are all tucked in there together. We've got a little, everything's all pretty easy to work with. So I do want to just show you a couple things. Number one, as we do our videos, you're going to find from time to time, I'll point up in this top right-hand corner, you're going to see a little lowercase I pop out of the YouTube video. That will mean that there's another video that you can watch that I might have referenced to while I was talking about one thing. So for example, when we talk about buttonholes, you actually have a button sew on foot. So again, we'll kind of link those two videos up to that. If you're interested in buying this machine, we'll give you some direction and information in the links below this YouTube video, and so you can kind of see more of what we do. Now, here is one thing. This is a fairly basic sewing machine. So if you're looking for a sewing machine that's going to do a lot of heavy sewing, hours and hours, you might want to take a look at our videos we have done on the Singer Heavy Duty sewing machine. So once again, right up here, if you click on over, we'll link over to the playlist for the Singer Heavy Duty sewing machine. And you'll probably get a little bit more oomph to that machine. It sews a little bit faster, has a few more decorative stitches. But let's get into this because this is quite a little powerhouse.